Hey everyone. Okay, here is the painting done. So I'll just show you a little bit inside where I'm with the painting here now. So all this has the first coat. Can't really see. And did all the windows, trim, all around. It's looking pretty good, but it's still gonna need a second coat. Down there, leaving the kitchen the birch color. And then over here, see up there, that nice contrast, the black and the white. Gonna leave the closet birch. So yeah, just plugging away at this painting right now. It's glory work, as in you see change really fast and it feels like you're doing a lot, which you are, starting in the bathroom here. And I also have done the shower. So the shower is installed, the door is ready. Trying to keep the ceiling maybe birch. And yeah, gonna just keep painting again tomorrow. And as you can see, this white paint is really erasing a lot of the mistakes and little cracks and things, which feels really good. It's really starting to feel like something. So yeah, I'm really excited. I'll show you once it's all done. I'm gonna try this out. Hey everyone, Dirtbag Minimal here. I'm really painted today. I have it all over my overalls. It's been a long day of painting and finishing up the bathroom. I'm just doing the trim around the shower and stuff. The weather is really nice. It's probably like 64 and I'm tired. I think I'm gonna call it a day today, but there's my little baby in the background, and yeah, just doing some of the painting and starting to see the finish line in sight.